Hello everyone, how are you today? Hope you all are doing great. Welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to auto-fit columns in Excel. Open an Excel sheet. So let's select the whole Excel sheet and click on any of the um, column as you want to. Then as you can see, all columns are the same. So now you can see it's just so easy to do it. So yep, this is how you can auto fit your columns in the simplest way. So hope this video helps. If it did, then please like, comment and share this video. Subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get more future updates. Thank you so much for watching this video and keep well.